Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay, and today I'm going to teach you an amazing function on how we can automatically upgrade or update a list. For example, here I have some data given. I have included this data in this list. If I add a new course here, that course will not be added here. Only the courses that are already added here will remain. New courses will not be added here. For example, suppose I write an accounting course here, and as soon as I type accounting and press enter, the accounting course does not get updated here. If I write YouTube training here, you will see that even the YouTube training does not get added here. So we want that whenever we add any new course here, it should automatically get upgraded or updated in the list. So today in this lecture, we are going to study this in detail with a new function. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then please do like this video because your one like can help this video reach as many people as possible. So let's start today's lecture. For that, what we do first is click here where our list is created, or if we want to create a new list that we want to keep updated automatically. After clicking here, we will go to data and then click on data validation. After clicking on data validation, this data validation dialog box will open in front of you. Now, if you have already written a formula here, for example, if you have selected a list and there is a pre-written formula, you will remove it from here. After that, we will use a function here called offset. So you will write equals to and then type offset here. After that, you need to start the bracket. After starting the bracket, you have to select the range from here. That is, suppose I want to select this range from here, so I want to add it here. So I have put a comma here. Then after this, type 0, add a comma, type 0 again, and then you have to put a comma here. After that, we will use another function along with it, counter, and then start the bracket. Then go to the column where you have written all this data, that is, go to its header. For example, suppose this column is J. As I move the cursor over it, it gets highlighted and a down arrow will appear here. So as soon as you click here, the entire column will be selected. Now you have two brackets open here. You need to close both brackets here, and then as soon as we click OK, your formula will start working. If we come here, you can see that the accounting and YouTube training have been added here. Now, for example, if we type a new course here, like I wrote freelancing here, as soon as I type freelancing and pressed enter, you'll see that freelancing has been automatically added here. If we type here, let's say I write typing here, after writing typing, as soon as I click here, it too has been automatically added here. In this way, you can automatically update or upgrade your list. So this was my lecture for today. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please make sure to give it a like. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.